Please download Telugu's top Android app in Play Store or iOS app in App Store and stay tuned to latest news as it happens. New Delhi, September 16th, Rooftop, an online learning platform for live art workshops and professionally curated art courses will present Indie Art, an exhibition of folk and tribal art forms from across the country, from September 16 to 19 at Kalyan Gallery, Bikaner House, in the national capital. The exhibition will feature 9 Indian art forms and participation by around 30 master artists from these forms. This is the online platform's inaugural exhibition that will celebrate India's rich cultural landscape, traversing through the land of the simplistic beauty of Varli art to displaying the devotional art of Matani Pachedi, and traveling through the land of Nathdwara of Srinathji and the tales of Babuji from the west. It will also showcase the arts of Bhils and the Gonds, Madhubani paintings, and Cheriyal scrolls from Telangana. Each of these art forms explores mythological themes and unique ways of storytelling and worship. The art forms and artists include Bhuribai and Ledobai for Bhil, Venkat Singh Shyam for Gond, D. Venkat Ramana and Maleshram Poza for Cheriyal, Ambika Devi, Avdesh Kumar Khan, Dulari Devi, and Hema Devi for Madhubani, Kiran Chitra, Chandrakant Chitra, Kirit Chitra, and Satish Chitra for Matani Pachedi, Abhishek Joshi and Kalyan Joshi for Fad, Rajaram Sharma for Pichwai, Praveen Mahes, Anil Wangad, and Vijay Mahes for Varli. The miniature painting from Rajasthan will have participation from 7 different schools of miniature like Shammi Bannu and Ashram Meghwal from Jaipur School, Sampat Rajbochia from Jodhpur School, Virendra Bannu from Deoghad School, Kushnarayan Jangid from Kishangarh School, Bhamwar Lal Kumawat from Mewar School, Mahavir Swami from Bikaner School and Anandilal Sharma from Nathdwara School. Karthik Gaggar, founder and CEO of Rooftop app, says, Indie Art is our effort to showcase various folk and tribal arts under one platform. With this exhibition, we not only want to create awareness on the subject but also present the vivacity of the cultural amalgamation of our country. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.